Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OSIR. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this may look like several days worth of time right there, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And the question revolves around the fact that today was a super nice day. I mean, to think that the price closed down here and now it's all the way up there, I think everybody would agree, hey, good day for the price. But that brings up the question, but is there any sort of true strength behind this move? Is there any sort of genuine power, or is this just some sort of kind of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single level, and that level is right here at $4.40. And I'm actually going to scrunch up the chart just to give a little bit more significance to this level. So there we go. So why is $4.40 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about $4.40. If the price were to close below $4.40, or worse yet, separate to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? Like I said, from a perspective, I guess, a perspective viewpoint, there we go. That would be putting the price right back to within this channel, which, you know, the price finally got above. That's why I want to scrunch up the chart to just show the perspective that, it, you know, the price has been trapped down below that level for a long period of time. So you don't want to see the price go back to where it was. Whereas, let's say the price heads down here. I'm not saying it will, but let's just pretend. Comes down here, bounces around, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have a set right there. And if you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps going in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. So to me, $4.40 is definitely that key overall must-hold level of support. Ideally, though, if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute best? If the price can hold up above you know, that point right there at $4.90, that would certainly make things look the strongest. But in my opinion, you know, $4.90 is not a must-hold level. The must-hold level is down at $4.40. What about levels of resistance? This is pretty straightforward. And that's just simply where the party stopped multiple times today. And that's right up there at about the $6.45 mark. You can see party stopped right there, and then party stopped a couple more times right there. So there are some sellers up there at $5.45, so that'll be the initial level of resistance, you know, going forward. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very, very nice day today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see.